What's up? Panibagong video na naman tayo. Quick kwentuhan muna. Ayan. So the other day, nag-upload tayo ng video about top 2 disadvantages for my part on working as an IT. Now, ngayon, quick kwentuhan naman tayo. Compared dun sa previous natin na disadvantage, syempre, working as an IT ay mayroon ding respective benefits or advantages. So, yun ang pagkwentuhan natin. Again, most of you have background na I've been working for several years as an IT. And right now, nandito tayo sa Australia and still working something related to my passion, which is in information and technology. I work as a Citrix engineer in an MSP company. And so far, so good. I love what I'm doing. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. And I see myself in the next at least 2 to 3 years more staying on this field. Now, syempre, working as an IT has pros and cons, as I have discussed on my other video. Now, pag-usapan natin yung top 3 advantage of working as an IT for my opinion. So again, quick disclaimer lang. So there are several, of course, there are ideal jobs out there. I'm just relaying kung ano yung experience ko, kung ano yung nakikita ko as advantage as an IT. But of course, meron tayong own opinions. So ito lang yung sa part ko. Okay. The first advantage that I can think of is growth and development. If you're someone you're looking for continuous growth and development, mag-IT kayo. And I would say that it's advantage because in information and technology industry, you'll never go stagnant. You'll be working on continuous development since yung IT, it's very fast-paced and there's always a new technology that comes in. And therefore, as an IT individual, you have to learn and constantly keep up with the latest technology. And unlike other industry, you might tend to get stagnant, pero sa IT, that's guaranteed. You have continuous training kasi technology keeps on changing every now and then. So that's one advantage that I can think of. Now, second is, of course, as an IT, it's very high demand. Okay, high demand in the sense na every company, small, medium, and of course, large environments would need an IT personnel to manage their networks or their systems. Okay. Right now, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga automations, kaya possible na bumaba yung demand as an IT. But believe me or not, IT will remain in demand because as new technologies, there will be some roles na mapapalitan, but definitely, I'm very certain na kung may mapapalitan man na roles, there will be other roles that will come in. So of course, that's an advantage since kung high demand yung work, there will be lots of chances na you can move on laterally. Okay? So, isa yun sa mga advantage working as an IT. Pwede kayong mag-move from one department to another kasi maraming roles na available kung nasa isang company na kayo. Okay. Now, third advantage that I can think of is competitive salary. Okay. So, I wouldn't say na mataas ang IT, but I would say in general na compared to other industries, especially kung beginner kayo, I would say that it's competitive enough with other job available. So, typically, especially dun sa mga nasa mid positions na, generally, yun yung mga positions na, of course, since mas marami kayong roles and responsibilities, as you gain experience, of course, lalaki yung chance nyo na mag-grow yung salary expectations nyo. Since high demand yung IT job, constantly, it will keep up with salary standards na nasa market. Ayun. So I think yun guys yung naiisip ko na top advantage of working as an IT. One is yung growth and development. Second is yung pagiging high demand ng IT jobs. And third is competitive salary. So see you guys on the next video.